Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am really happy that I found these and they are Animal Crossing related. I have a Reese plushie that is $19.99, a Chrissy plushie and it was $19.99, and this one is one of my favorites. I do have cards. 4 of them is special cards and the rest is not. And they are $3.99 each. I have Timmy. I have Timmy again, but it had a different picture onto it. I have Red. I have Harriet. I have Patty. That's one of my favorites. And this one over here, that's Muffy, is one of my favorites too. She is perfect for a Halloween theme because I've seen her on a Halloween theme before. I have Shep. I really like this villager a lot. I have Mary. I have 2 peanut cards. I really like this villager a lot, and it's one of my favorites. I have Freckles. I have Lily. I have Eric. Correct me if I'm wrong, I'm pronouncing the name, but yeah, I cannot pronounce the name to it. I have Annabelle. And the last of the cards I have is Quilson. I really do like the Animal Crossing cards a lot. And once again, these are $3.99 each. And I'm really happy that I got these ones. I was saving it for last. I have Captain's Island Boat Tours Lego set. This was $24.99. It has 233 pieces into it. And I'm really happy that I got these 2. And I'm just really happy I own these 2 now. I have Fly with Dodo Airlines. It has 292 pieces into it, and it was $14.99. And I'm really happy I got this one. This one is Isabel's House Visit. It was $24.99. And this one has 389 pieces into it. my favorite out of the whole entire pile has to be this Lego set video, and the Isabel's house visit. But if I had to choose just, I want to say one of it would be the airport one. Comment down below which one is your favorite out of the pile. The plushies, the Animal Crossing cards I have, or the Lego set. And if you have any Animal Crossing related stuff, which one is your favorite out of your pile? Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and I hope that everyone enjoyed this video.